So welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to Beginner Teaches Python Programming to Himself. So last time I left information about string and list and hurriedly went to make one program because I was very eager to show you that program just to show the power of Python because I thought that all this information will make you boring and you may be tired of things. So just to add some spice up, I had done that. So come back to the strings again and anything for example I say s is equal to in the quotation marks python or any learning, for example learning, and if I do print s, it will print the string, right? Learning. But now even I don't write print, also the same thing will happen. This compiler is understanding many things and getting more and more smart. So for a quick review it is good. So I say s hit learning coming. So s dot just quick review of what we learned in earlier thing. So you see if I make some wrong typing, it is also prompting me. Upper s dot lower, then s dot say title. In title, the first letter will be turned capital, uh, but for that it is already capital, so I have to take a lowercase in that case. So is equal to say learning. Okay, single quotation or double quotation doesn't make a difference. So s dot title. Now that first letter will be turned to uppercase, learning. So there are many things. S dot, for example, uh, say I make one more thing just to see some swapping business. So here, instead of taking all lowercase, what I will do, I will turn something uppercases. For example, I will put L capital and I will put this R capital just for knowing the what are the functions capital. And then if I go s dot swap case, open close bracket, hit enter. So you see that it has swapped, where it was capital has come to the lowercase and vice versa. So there are many things. So you will say that who will remember all this thing, right? Question. And please note that gone are the days when there was some textbook and you're mugging up and behatting and reproducing that. That was not education for your kind information. That was memory test. Here is education. And their world is open with all the directories and this. There is nothing to memorize, only thing to understand. So here I simply type s dot and you will see the prompt will come. So you don't need to memorize anything. It is prompting you everything. So we saw few of the things. You can go on testing all. So right now I'll not waste more time on this one. All I want to say that this is new education where there is flexibility, there is understanding, and there is creativity. So now we'll move quickly to maths. Now this page become crowded, so I'll open a new one. So last time we saw that what are strings, alphanumerical characters, then math operations and Boolean things. Boolean means true or false. So one quick thing I can come here. Yes, okay, yes, alpha numerical, alpha. Okay, that will come to the next one. So let's go to, I wanted to show that if it is alpha numerical, it will come the answer true or false. So now we'll go to, in the comment section, I'll say math operations. Don't get scared with math word because we are not doing. Python will work for you. So if you are tired with S, I will take for example A. A is equal to anything, I don't know, say 5. B is equal to anything, 3 for example. This is for neatness, I am keeping some distance. So I can even write B is equal to, say, B is equal to, also right, but it looks untidy and not readable. So keep some distance, that's a nice way. So here, so this Python interpreter has this math operation also. So if I say print, I'll make print also. Without print also it will do the same thing. A plus B. A plus B I do. Obviously it is summing up and giving this A. Likewise A multiplied by B, it will be 15. A divided by B. Now here one thing, what we are looking these were integers, and now this one decimal has come. So decimal here is known as floating numbers. It's called decimal. So before that, say I want to quickly tell about the class also. For example, in our last boring example, you may have got tired by this time for say Python. Now I want to see the what class it is. It is a float or integer, or it is what is say string. It is string of course, but I want to get a proof of it. So what I'll do, type. Don't have to remember anything. Excuse me. Type S and in the bracket S and I hit. So it is telling class string. Now likewise, uh, if I say type A, it is saying it is integer, so it is denoted by int. Now if I go, I don't know if I can do it, A by B, class is float, so this is the floating number. It is denoted by, these decimals are denoted by float. Okay, so this much we have done. So we'll how much time has happened? I think I don't want to make it a lengthy one because attention time is very less. So next video I'll show the math operation and we'll try to see some Boolean operations also. So thank you for this watching this video. Thank you very much.